Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Windsurf AI. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and download Windsurf on your PC and install it. Then once you install it, you should open it and go and click on Open Cascade button right here. Then now you should simply click on this option right here if you want to choose the module that you are going to use. And now you need to know that some modules are using credits, so keep that in mind. I will simply use the free one just like so. And you can even use these modules with credits, but this will be limited because we will use a very limited prompt. We'll just be able to use about 25 or 30 prompts, and I will show you that in the free plan. So here, as you can see in the free plan, you can use 25 prompt credits per month. So keep that in mind, 4 prompts per credit. Now, he also have this category recommended. You can change it by clicking on it, then go to cost, and it will show you all the options that you can actually use. You have the provider and the recommended. So I'll choose cost, and I will go for anyone with credits that I can use in limited manner. So keep that in mind. And when you first sign up, you get 2 weeks pro trial. Also, since it is a trial, once it's finished, you will drop back down to that 25 credits per month. Now, Windsurf Pro costs $15 per month, and you can add on more credits for $10 for 250 credits. But I'm going to show you a way that you can get it at a discount rate. If you are a student and you have ADU email, you can register for an account and you get 50% off on a pro subscription. And instead of it costing $15 per month, it only costs you $6.90. Now, you may be tempted to make multiple free trial accounts and think that you could just keep getting these 2 pro trials. But Windsurf thought about this. You can only use so many free trial accounts on a single user on a computer. However, every user on your computer can create their own account and use it inside of Windsurf. Also, unfortunately, as of right now, there's no way to use your own local LLM to essentially make it free to use Windsurf. I think that they are working on this feature, but right now we can only stick with the 3 free models that they have for us. So I can simply use these free models, then type here any prompt that I need. I need a code for language website, for example. This is just for the demonstration. Now it's generating. So here you have it. This is how we can use it actually. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.